In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Evernote. Importing files into Evernote is a great way to keep all your notes, documents, and ideas organized in one central place. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. I'll be demonstrating this in the Evernote web app, but the overall idea is similar if you use the desktop version. First, make sure you're logged into your Evernote account in your browser. Once you're on the main notes screen, look toward the top left area of the page. You should see your profile name or profile initials. This is usually near the navigation menu. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This opens a small menu where you can access various account options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. The wording is typically straightforward, and it may appear alongside other options like Account Details or Help. Click on Settings to open the full settings page. This is where Evernote keeps all the controls for how your account behaves, including importing and exporting content. On the settings page, you will see different sections listed such as Account, Preferences, and similar options. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, and locate the section called Import. When you find it, click on Import. This will take you to the area where Evernote lets you bring external files into your account. Now you're on the import screen. Here, you should see a button or link that says Browse Files. This is what you'll use to select the file you want to import. Click on Browse Files, and your computer's file picker will open. From here, navigate through your folders and choose the file or files you'd like to add to Evernote. Depending on your setup, you might be importing notes exported from another app, documents, or other supported files. After selecting your file, confirm your choice in the file picker. Evernote will begin processing the import. If the file is large, give it a moment to upload and convert. Once it's done, your imported content will appear in your notes, usually in